This is the average velocity interactive calculator, which solves for various velocity-related parameters in engineering applications. Let's examine the input fields. At the top, you'll find the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate average velocity from displacement and time. Calculate displacement from velocity and time. Calculate time from displacement and velocity. Calculate final velocity from initial velocity, acceleration, and time. Calculate acceleration from initial and final velocity and time, and calculate velocity from components in 2D. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Average Velocity. The input fields include displacement delta x, time delta t, average velocity v bar, initial velocity v naught, final velocity v, acceleration a, x component velocity vx, and y component velocity vy. Now for our worked example. I'll enter 10 for displacement delta x and 10 for time delta t. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 1,000 with units of meters per second. The speed magnitude is 1,000 meters per second. The direction indicates positive direction, and the interpretation states the object moved in positive x direction. These results confirm our average velocity calculation based on the displacement-time relationship. This tool streamlines velocity calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.